In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an RSI alert on TradingView for Bitcoin. We'll walk through each step together to ensure you can easily and confidently replicate this process on your own. Whether you're an experienced trader or just beginning your trading journey, setting up alerts is a crucial tool to enhance your strategy, allowing you to respond swiftly to market changes. Let's start by opening your TradingView account. After logging in, you'll want to open the chart for the Bitcoin asset you're interested in. For instance, you might select BTC USD, which is a commonly traded pair. Ensure your chart is open in the full view, so you can easily navigate and apply the indicators we need. Next, we're going to add an RSI indicator. RSI, or Relative Strength Index, will help us analyze the market momentum and identify potential entry or exit points. To add this to your chart, click on the Indicators button located at the top of the chart. In the search bar, type RSI. Once it appears in the drop-down list, click on it to add it to your chart. You should now see the RSI indicator below your main price chart, which will provide valuable insight into the asset's momentum. Now that the RSI is visible, let's move on to setting up an alert. Click on the alarm bell icon located in the top toolbar. This action will open the Create Alert panel. Alerts are incredibly useful for staying on top of market movements without the need to constantly stare at your screen. In the Alert panel, you will be able to specify the condition that will trigger your alert. In this case, you'll want to choose a condition related to your RSI indicator. For instance, you might decide to create an alert when the RSI crosses above a specific level, indicating an overbought situation, or below a level, suggesting oversold conditions. These thresholds can assist you in making more informed trading decisions. After setting the condition based on your chosen RSI level, it's time to configure and create your alert. You can customize your notification settings to ensure you're promptly informed. Options include a pop-up on your desktop, an email notification, or even a sound alert, depending on what best suits your trading style. Therefore, you can keep track of your positions effectively even when you're away from your computer. Once you've customized these settings to your liking, click on the Create button to save your alert. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an RSI alert on TradingView for Bitcoin. This powerful tool will now assist you in maintaining a proactive approach towards your trading strategies. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, regularly reviewing and adjusting your alerts can further refine your trading process. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more insightful trading tutorials.